A short drive from historic Dandridge, Tennessee, is a new home construction that promises a lifetime of livability. Welcome to 125 Golf View Boulevard. With 3 bedrooms and 2 baths in a pastoral setting, you will enjoy 2,100 square feet of living area. Let's step inside. Right from the foyer, you'll appreciate the spaciousness. Hardwood flooring on the main and 9-foot ceilings throughout. Everything inside awaits your personalization. The formal dining area with a window view. The great room offering access to an expansive 10 by 16-foot back deck. The breakfast nook with plenty of glass for natural light. And the stylish kitchen with a large island to facilitate meal preparation. All color coordinated throughout, you'll appreciate the granite countertops complementing the most stylish backsplash. State-of-the-art appliances will provide years of service. And now, to your bedrooms. Most rooms are accented with crown molding, and each will adapt to every family member's needs. The master bedroom, spacious, and your master bath features dual vanities and a large glassed-in shower. There's a huge 12 by 24-foot bonus room over the garage, the perfect play area or hobby room. The garage provides excellent storage, not to mention room for 2 cars. And remember the back deck? From here, you'll command a priceless view of the Smokies. With this unfinished basement complete with roughed-in plumbing, the convenient laundry room adjacent to the kitchen, and more, you have to see this home for yourself. Call Tammy Franklin of Franklin Realty direct at 865-654-1110.